Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to grease the watch gasket on your watch. For today's video I have a Casio watch, but you can apply this tutorial to other watch brands as well. So what we want to do is to have one of these. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below, and then I'm going to pick up my watch gasket after I have cleaned it already. So in case you just started replacing your watch battery, make sure to first take it out, clean it, leave it to be, let's say, dry, and then we are going to add this grease afterwards. So I'm going to place it right here, and then I'm going to close this right here, and now I'm going to rotate it left and right, and then my gasket is going to be greased. And now I'm going to pick it up, put it inside right here once again, and that is how you grease your watch gasket. In case you want to watch the full guide with how to replace the watch battery on this particular Casio watch from start to finish, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. I'm also going to leave links to all the tools that I use and also to the greasing solution that I regularly use, link in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really helps a lot. And also, if you would like to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching, subscribe, and I'm going to see you in the next video.